Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. My name's Lisa Graves and today I'm going to show you this cable knit matte chrome design. Okay, so I've already laid down 2 coats of all my colours. On the pinky, pointer and thumb I have used Purple Rain. This nail I have used Plum Sorcery, and on the middle finger I have used Devil's Shadow. So on my pinky and thumb I'm going to go in using my top coat, the no work top coat. And they can go in a lamp for full cure. Okay, so I'm going to be using these chameleon flakes. Gotta be very careful with these, they are so weightless, they just go everywhere. So just using this eyeshadow sponge. It's so beautiful, I can't cope. I'm going to rub this into the no wipe top coat. Carefully dust off any excess, and I'm going to do the same with the thumb. I cannot cope with this powder. Are they flakes? They are flakes, aren't they? Chameleon flake, chromy chameleon flake, weightless little flakes of happiness. Dust off your excess. And then I'm going to top coat those 2 nails. Okay. So once they have had their full cure, I'm just going to gently file the edges. You can use a buffer as well, just gently. I'm just going to break the seal of that top coat. I always do this with chromes. And then I'm going to top coat them again, and it will really seal that chrome in, stop it from chipping. So at the same time I'm going to top coat these remaining nails. Okay, so these 2 nails I'm going to take the shine off just with a buffing block. Okay, so on this nail I'd used Plum Sorcery, so I'm going to use that to get the raised effect. So using the 002 brush, load my tip up, starting at the top of this nail, just going to come down, across and down, just like that. And right underneath that, same thing, down and down, and you'll repeat this pattern down the full middle of this nail. Okay, when you're happy with that, using crystal clear acrylic powder, and I'm just going to use my cuticle pusher, a bit like a scoop. I'm going to scoop up some clear acrylic powder. and sprinkle this on top. I'm going to put plenty on, keep sprinkling on. The wet gel polish will absorb some of it. I'll put plenty on, tap off any excess, and then that can go into the lamp. And once it's come out the lamp, you can then dust away any excess, and that shows you the nice matte embossed design. So now we can add a little bit more. I always recommend doing a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to do a line either side. And I'm going to do some dots either side of this as well. Once you're happy, you can sprinkle your clear acrylic powder again, tap off any excess, and then that can go into the lamp. Okay, dust off your excess powder. Devil's Shadow on this nail. Slightly different design on this one. Again, I'm just going to load my brush up. Now with this one, again starting in the middle, I'm going to do kind of like croissant shapes. So they'll overlap each other like this. They kind of look like croissants, don't they? A little bit? I don't know. I don't really eat croissants. Okay, pop that in. Okay, using a dotting tool, I'm going to come down and pop some dots on. Dotting tool, tip of the brush, whatever you have at your disposal. Yeah, so this top dot here, you can see it's still a little bit wet, so that's a big indication that you need to pop some more powder on it. There you go. Okay, that can go in the lamp. Okay, dust off your excess. Okay, so to finish these nails off, I'm going to use a small amount of these flakes on the bottom of this nail and very carefully get them to fade up. Easier said than done. Very carefully, like so. Right, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to brush down the nail. I don't want to brush up the nail, just because I don't want to bring any more powder up the nail. I'm quite happy with that fade. There we go. Happy with that. Okay, so this can now be top coated. Okay, pop that one in. Okay, so now I'm going to go over all these nails with the buffing block, the 3 chromed nails. And I'm going to be using the Pink Pineapple Cuticle Oil. So careful with your matte nails not to get the cuticle oil on the actual nails, because it will make them shiny like I did there. There we go. So here are the finished nails. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and all the links to the product used are in the description box below. Bye!